Today we're gonna make this spiced carrots and chickpeas. To get started on making our carrots and chickpeas, we're gonna first get all of our ingredients ready. So I have water boiling on the stove and we're gonna clean our carrots. So I have 4 carrots. We're gonna clean these, cut them up. I'm always looking for great side dishes to go with any meal because we're big on proteins in this house, so that's easy. At least my kids will eat chicken, but I'm always looking for new ideas for vegetables for a side dish. So this is a great one. Okay, after we clean our carrots, we're gonna cut it. Now we're gonna cut them in rounds. Now that our carrots are cleaned, let's go to the stove to cook everything. So we have some boiling hot water here. I'm gonna put our carrots in and we're gonna cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes. We want them nice and tender. So I'm gonna let those boil. And then I have a saucepan here. I'm gonna put that heat on here and add some olive oil, and we're gonna saute our chickpeas. So I have 1 can of chickpeas, drained already. We're gonna saute those with the olive oil. We're gonna cook these chickpeas for about 3 to 4 minutes. Want them to get a little bit crunchy. Next, we're gonna stir in 1 clove of minced garlic. Let that cook for a minute. Now we're gonna add our spices. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So we're gonna stir these. Get the spice all over our chickpeas. Our carrots are almost finished. I'm gonna lower the heat and let these cook, and then I'm gonna drain our carrots and we'll add them in next. Now we're gonna add our carrots. And we're gonna stir this all together so that we can coat all the spices on our carrots as well. Perfect. You could see all the spice all over our carrots and our chickpeas. And next we're gonna turn off the heat here. So I've turned off the heat and we're gonna add in some fresh lemon. And fresh parsley. Stir that together. And now we'll go plate it. I'm gonna add a little more parsley on top and then some honey drizzle. This dish is ready to serve. Look at that. For the full recipe, visit NikkiGlekis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you can purchase my favorite products.